Where is a monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Wow, very good. Where is panda? Panda. Where's panda? Wow, ang galing naman. Where is the chicken? Rooster chicken. Wow, ang galing talaga ng baby ko. Where is the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Wow, very good. Where is the horse? Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Wow, galing naman ng baby namin na yan. Where is the elephant? Where's the elephant? Elephant. Wow, very good. What's that? Bear. Galing ah. Where's the rabbit? Rabbit. Where's the rabbit? Rabbit. Where's the rabbit? Tignan natin kung makikita niya ang rabbit. Ang galing talaga ng baby ko ah. Where's the tiger? Where is the tiger? Where's the tiger? Wow, ang galing naman ng baby namin. Where is the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Giraffe. Where's the giraffe? Giraffe. Where's giraffe? Saan ang giraffe? Hinahanap niya ang giraffe. Ano ya? Ay, di mali. Where's the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Yan, ang galing naman ng baby. Where's the cat? Where is the cat? Where's the cat? Where is the monkey? Monkey. Wow. Very good, baby ah. Where is the cow? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Where is the cow? Ay, cow ba yan? Hipo yan eh. Yung mo. Mo. Asa yung cow? Wala na. Ano yan? Hipo yan. Di yan cow. Ito yung cow oh. Ito, di mo nakita, nakatupi. Ito yung cow. Ayan. Okay? Clap your hands na. Yay! Galing pa din.